Today's featured car of the day is a 1962 Ford Thunderbird Hardtop Coupe. And this one was a survivor and had a couple custom touches done to it with the wheels and the 59 Cadillac taillights. And other than that, it was a nice car. Had a good stance to it and a good looker of the white with the or cream color with the red interior. And this one I recorded at my local classic car cruise night in San Diego, California. And as far as the 62 Thunderbird goes, that was part of the third generation of the Thunderbird, which went from 1961 through 1963. And the 62 ones, that was the first year. The mid-year, they came out with the Landau model, which had the vinyl roof and the S-bars on the rear pillars, on the C-pillars. And they also had the Sports Roadster, which was a limited production one. They made 1,427 of those, including 120 with the special M code engine with the tri-power setup. And as far as production numbers go, in 1962, Ford sold a total of 1,476,031 vehicles. And out of that, 78,011 were Thunderbirds, of which 68,127 were the hardtop coupe, which is what this one is one of. And then they had 9,844 convertibles, which included the 1,427 of the Sports Roadster. If you made it to the end of the video, thank you very much for watching. I appreciate it. If you can share this video and my channel, Motor City, with a friend, or share it on your group page if you have one, I would appreciate it. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.